Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change language for the Steam games individually. And remember that on some games it might not apply, but on most of them it should work without a problem. So simply select the game you want to change the language for example Ascent, then move to the properties, and now actually this game doesn't have it, so let's try another one. For example, Battleblock Trita, properties, language. There should be option right here for language, as you can see. So now let's select the language we want to change it to. For example, French. And now let's close it. And the game is uninstalled, but if you had it installed, it might change. It might start updating or reinstalling. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.